In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn a lot of money through real estate. Because on VALPULSE, we have two sessions. The first session is if you're an athlete or a beginner, you can promote data products. If you don't want to promote data products, you can promote property. That's what we call real estate. You can go into real estate. So you'll be the middleman between the owner of the property and the buyer. So when the buyer pay for that property, you receive an email that someone have buy property, and then your commission reflect on your dashboard on VALPULSE. Then you withdraw it on Friday. Do you understand? So make sure you watch this video. Make sure you watch this video to the end to get details about the real estate business and how you can download the picture of the property, download the video, copy your link, and get every details needed about the property. I'm going to show you everything in this video. Make sure you watch the video to the end. Make sure you like, make sure you share. And before I go into the main topic, I would love to introduce myself. For those that have seen my video for the first time, my name is Ogunshakin Temtokwe, an affiliate marketer and also a coach. I've been able to earn 5 to 6 figures through affiliate marketing with my smartphone. So make sure you watch the video to the end. If you want to go into real estate, if you want to promote properties and earn a lot of money, watch this video to the end. So I'm going to log in. I'm going to tap on VALPULSE. So okay, I'm going to write. Okay, so as a beginner, this is how your dashboard will look like. 00000. This place that you see 5 6, you're going to see 0000. This place you see $41, you're going to see 0. I was able to earn $41 from 5 6. So let me just convert it to naira to see. So they pay in all these coins. You can just go through it. So naira, you can see I was able to generate 41,250 with just 5 Cs. So let's go straight to the main topic. So you're going to tap on these three lines behind this bed. When you tap on it, it's going to bring all this. You are going to see home, account, achievement, leaderboard, products, payments, invite, real estate, and log out. For the products is for those that want to promote data products, but in this video I'm only going to talk about real estate. So you're going to tap on the real estate. I'm going to show you the dashboard. I'm going to allow it to load. So you can see welcome to VALPULSE real estate. Can you see VALPULSE? So this is how your dashboard is going to look like. This is your total sales, total amount, overall earnings and stuff like that. So can you see? So I'm going to tap on the three lines back and tap on the sales. Then I'm going to tap on the market. So in this market you are going to get all properties you can promote, different property you can promote. So it's loading. So can you see this property worth 120 million and your commission is 2.4 million in just one sales. So let's just scroll down. This one is 5.5 billion and you're going to earn commission of 110 million. And scroll down. This is 360 million. You're going to earn 7.2 million as commission. So just go through it. Can you see? Just go through it. This is 950 million. If you are able to get sales, someone buy it, you're going to get a commission of 90 million. So just scroll down. This one is 400 million. You're going to get commission of 8 million. VALPULSE has an agreement between the property owners. So when someone buy this property, you receive an email and your commission reflect on your account details, on your wallet, on your VALPULSE dashboard. So on Thursday you are going to request for a withdrawal. On Friday you will receive your money in your local bank account, because every Friday is payout on VALPULSE. So can you see, just scroll down, there's a lot of properties here. Okay, this property worth 380 million. You're going to earn commission of 7.6 million. So you can earn a lot of money on real estate more than data products. So you can see this is 700 million and your commission is 14 million. So let me show you. Just scroll after sign up, just scroll to get more details about it. So I'm going to use the product. So let me assume I want to promote this solid 5 bedroom duplex. I'm going to slide down. I'm going to tap on copy link. This link, copy link. When you copy this link, is like your affiliate link. So whenever you post this property, you can put the link there. Or whenever someone comes to your DM, okay, I want to go and see this property. You know you are not in Abuja, but the owner of that post is in Abuja and his workers are in Abuja. So whenever the buyer click on the link, it's going to direct them to the owner of this platform WhatsApp account. So they are going to they are going to agree on the day they are going to check the property. So when they check the property and they pay, you are going to receive an email that someone has paid for a property, and then your commission will collect on your VALPULSE dashboard. On Thursday you request for payment, on a Friday you receive a lot in your local bank account. That is it. So if you want to get more details about the product, you tap on see more. So can you see, this is see more. You just go through it. This is see more. Can you see? So then let me tap on back, please. So where is the property? So let me okay. So now, if assuming you want to promote this product, just copy your link. So whenever someone see that the picture of the property and say, okay, I want to buy, you send this link to the person, ask the person to pay it, make that person know that you are just the middleman between him and the owner of the property. So don't lie. Don't lie. Just tell him, okay, I'm the middleman between. So tell him to fill that form. So when that person fill the form, when the buyer fill the form and submit the form, is going to direct the buyer to the owner of this purpose WhatsApp, and they are going to have an agreement on when to go and see the property. When this person see the property and pay for the property, you receive an email and you see your money on your purpose dashboard. That is it. Okay. So then you come to this page, you want to download the video of the property or the picture, you tap on download. It's going to download. Do you understand? It's going to download to your gallery. So I'm going to show you how the link look like. So you know I've copied the link. I'm going to go back to Chrome. I'm going to copy and paste. Okay. So okay, I'm going to allow it to load. Okay. So can you see the person is going to see the details of everything? So can you see, this is the details. Then the person is going to tap on contact agents. You are just the middleman between the agent, because VALPULSE is the agent between the agent and the owner of the property. So the person is going to tap on connect to agents. Then it's going to fill the name. I'm just going to show you so you can understand what I'm talking about. So then the person is going to just make sure you tell the person, okay, oh, this, fill the form and submit it. So when the person submits it, it's going to take that person direct to WhatsApp number. So all these property you see on VALPULSE are in Abuja, Lagos. So can you see? So hello, Mr. I am referred for inspection. My name is that. So the person is going to introduce himself, and then the person in charge of the real estate is going to take them to the property, and when they see the property and they like it, when they pay, you receive an email. That is how to promote properties on VALPULSE, and this is the fastest way to earn money. Imagine promoting two property and you're able to get six. Let me say one of it gave you 2 million and the other one give you like 2 million, that's 4 million. And there are some products on this property that pays 7 million. So there's a lot of money you can earn in real estate. So before you can earn all this money, before you can go into promoting this property, you need to sign up on VALPULSE to get access. Even apart from when you sign up on VALPULSE, apart from even getting the affiliate dashboard, you will also have access to a course that will teach you sales and marketing, how you can sell on all social media and different IP skills like content writing, copywriting, video editing, how to create a Facebook advertisement, how to create a landing page, a sales funnel, graph design. You're going to learn all these ID task skills. So you want to get started, you want to earn a lot of money in the year 2025, 2026, and you want to get access to that course. There's a link in the description below. Just click on the link to sign up. And after signing up, you receive an email and set your account and start to promote this property. Start to promote. So there's a lot of money you can earn on VALPULSE through real estate. So if you are an agent, you can register on VALPULSE to get access to just all this property and promote. So I hope you have learned one or two things from. So don't miss out right now. This is the icon for you to earn a lot of money on VALPULSE. So like I said, there's a link in the description below to get access to VALPULSE to register. So click on the link. And also, if you have more questions to ask me, there's a link in the description below. You are going to tap on the link. It's going to take you direct to my WhatsApp number, and then you send your message and ask a question. I'm going to answer. So make sure you like and make sure you share. So hope you have learned one thing. So subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting different ways you can earn money with your smartphone without leaving your comfort zone. So thank you for watching, and God bless you.